So this is Nisha from Ornit, and in this video we will be covering insertion sort. In the last two videos we have already covered array selection sort and bubble sort. Please check that once. And let's start with insertion sort here. So let's name insertion sort. Insertion sort. So here's a quick revision. In selection sort and bubble sort, what we did, we either took the minimum or a maximum element and put that minimum or a maximum element to its respective position or respective index. But but in insertion sort, what we do that we will take we will take every element and to its put it to correct index towards the LHS side, towards left hand side. Okay. So it basically means ki, suppose you have an array of 9 1 2 0 and 3. Okay, so it first sorts this part, then this part, then this part, then this part. The left hand side gets sorted. At every pass, your left hand side gets sorted. So it basically means at the first pass, it will sort this chunk, and after the second pass, this chunk will get sorted. After the third pass, this chunk will get sorted, and after the fourth pass, this chunk will get sorted. So until fourth pass, this array gets sorted, and the length of this array is 5. Yep, it means it goes to the fourth pass, that the passes will be, or the iterations will be length minus 1, the length of the array minus 1. For example, let's take the same array, that is 9 1 2 0 3. It picks up the element and insert that element to its correct index towards the LHS side. It basically means this. That's why it's called insertion sort. वो एक एलिमेंट को उठाएगा एंड उसको उसके करेक्ट इंडेक्स पे फेंक देगा टुवर्ड्स द एलएचएस साइड. बाय दिस उसका एलएचएस साइड सॉर्ट होता जाएगा एंड टिल द लास्ट पास उसका LHS portion sort हो जाए and the last portion is already get sorted. Suppose at I is equals to 0 meant pass 1. After pass 1, this part gets sorted meant 1 9 2 0 3. The array becomes this. After pass 2, this part gets sorted meant 1 2 9 0 3. After pass 3, this parts get sorted 1, that is 0 1 2 9 and 3. Yep. Here the 0th element is swapped till it can be swapped. Like is 2 0 greater than 9? No, then swap it. Is 0 greater than 2? No, swap it. Is 0 greater than 1? No, swap it. So it will swap until it can be swapped. So the array becomes this. And then after the pass 4, which is our last pass, after pass 4, this whole parts get sorted. That means 0 1 2 3 9. This is the sorted array. Yep. This will be the sorted array. So from this you can see our I, or the iteration, is going from I is equals to 0 to up to I is equals to n minus 2. Why n minus 2? I is less than n minus 1, because if it gets to n minus 1, there is no point of checking that element, because ये वाला LHS part तुम्हारा already sorted है. That means it's already get sorted. So there's no way or no chance कि तुम इस चीज को लो and तुम देखो कि if it is sorted or not, because it will be it came here by getting swapped, because it is the bigger element, so it is already sorted, and we don't have any adjacent element to compare and check it that it can be swapped or not. So it goes from I is equals to 0 and I is equals to n minus 2. And let's see, our inner iteration or inner loop starts from j is equals to, we know at the here first this part gets sorted, means we need I plus 1, that is the index 1, to compare and sort. Means j will start from I plus 1 and goes up to j equals to 0. Yep. because let's check in this. No, let's check in this. J is equals to I plus 1. J is equals to I plus 1. So here the I is equals to 2. J will be 3. Yep, J will be 3. And third element is this. So it's check goes from 3, then 2, then 1, then 0. It's check. It's check कि जो अपना 0 है वो अपना 9 से बड़ा है कि नहीं है तो स्वैप कर दे. देन 0 अगर उस पे आ गया देन 0 चेक्स विद 2 बिकॉज 2 एंड माइनस होते जाएगा तो j minus 1, so j equals to 0. So our pseudocode will be goes from iteration for I is equals to 0 till I less than equals to length minus 1, and then I plus plus. And our second loop goes from j equals to I plus 1 till j less than 0 till j minus minus. Because it will check with every element towards the LHS side and swap it until it can be swapped. Yep. So let me take an example. That is 9, 1, 2, 0, 8, and 3. This part gets sorted. That is 1, 9, 2, 0, 8, and 3. Then this part gets sorted. That is 1, 2, 9, 0, 8, 3. Okay. So this is I is equals to 0. This is I is equals to 1. This is I is equals to 2. And this I is equals to 2. So j will be 3. So it will select this one element. Yep. It will check it will check is 0 is less than j minus 1. It will check because we need to put that element towards the LHS side, so it will be check towards its left side. If it is lesser, then shift, then right shift to 9 to this, and left shift 0 to this. 0 greater than 9, no, so swap. Okay, then j minus minus j equal becomes 2, 0 comes here, and after j equals to 3, after j equals to 3, the array would be 1 2 0 9 8 3. Now j will be 2. It will check 0 less than 2. Yes, swap it. And ऐसे करते करते जब j अपना 0 हो जाएगा, so our array becomes 0 1 2 9 3 9 8 3. Yep. So here our we perform the swapping thing by if array of j is less than array of j minus 1, then swap our basic swapping thing. Array of j, put that array of j minus 1 in the place of array of j, meant put that bigger element in the array of j, and array of j minus 1 will be 10, because 0 was a smaller and 9 was the bigger element, so 9 will get the right shifted and 0 will get the left shifted. So this one is uh, the right one where the right shifted index, and this one will be the left shifted index, that is j minus 1. And then this is a pseudocode. If you want to change it in the while loop, your condition will be, it again goes from I is equals to 0 to I is equals to n minus 1, that is length, and your condition will be j should be greater than 0, because if j is not greater than 0, then the array of j minus 1 becomes the array of minus 1. Okay, so that not exist here. So your while loop condition will be and compare if array of j minus 1 greater than array of j, then वही तुम्हारा स्वैपिंग वाली चीज लगा दो, and your array gets sorted. So this was the insertion sort. Next from the next video we will start the binary search. From the next video, we will start the linear search and binary search algorithm.